Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Industrial Sensor Monitoring System using IIoT. And here we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and we are using total 5 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, smoke sensor, by gas sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor and PIR sensor. Those are connected with analog input A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and fault showing on relay LED 1 2 3 4. Driver is BC5472345 GPIO pin. Relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. Smoke alert, LDR alert, fire alert, PIR alert. And temperature alert purpose in fan and smoke purpose alarm. And the GPRS modem we are using, and we are sending the data to IoT web page. And 16 cross to LCD display RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13. And let us coming into the hardware part and the sensor monitoring: temperature sensor, smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor and PIR sensor. Okay, all the values are temperature, smoke, LDR, fire, PIR. So relays are relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. GSM SIM 800L we are using. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. And here Max 232 IC, LM35 temperature sensor, smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, PIR sensor, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB, and 16 cross 2 LCD display and power supply module. Let's start with power supply. Okay, now I'm going to give power supply. Okay, sensor monitoring and GPRS. So GPRS settings are coming. So now I'm going to give LDR should be dark. If 150 below, LED should be on. Okay, LED is on. Now I'm giving fire. LDR is low. Yeah, sending data to web page. Yeah, fire will be changed. Fire will be goes to yes. Yeah, fire will be goes to yes. And we will get one SMS alert also. According to the LED is also on. Okay, fire alert. And I am going for temperature alert. Your temperature sensor. Temperature. Yeah, temperature it crosses to 57. Yeah, temperature, fan on 60 and above. Right. Yeah, temperature alert. Yeah, and at the same time we'll receive one SMS alert also, like fire alert, smoke alert, okay, and gas alert. Gas alert. Gas alert if gas 200 and above, and we will receive SMS alert, email alert. Yeah, 200. So only LDR should be LED, and if PIR alert, yeah, PIR equal to yes, and we are getting continuous alerts on, okay, yeah, PIR yes, no fire, LDR temperature, PIR equal to yes, and it will send the data to server. So temperature alert, temperature fault detected, and MQ2 gas sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, and PIR sensor. Arduino Uno R3 board, and one alarm, 1, 2, 3, 4 relay coils, max 232 IC, and GPRS modem.